Pick up the blocks, pick up the train, put them in the toy box, use your brain. Clean up, everybody clean up. Clean up, put your things away. Clean up, everybody clean up. Clean up, put your things away. Pick up the books, big and small, put them on the shelf against the wall. Stand them up straight, side by side. We have nothing left to hide. We help each other, yes we do. I help you and you help me too. Working together is so much fun. We won't stop until we're done. See a little paper? Pick it up. See a little wrapper? Pick it up. Put it in the trash can, make it clean. We are the greatest cleaning team. Clean up, everybody clean up. Clean up, put your things away. Clean up, everybody clean up. Clean up, put your things away. Look around, it's all clean. Great job, everybody.